Good morning, students. Dina Sharma is here. How are you, students? I hope you will be fine at your home. Dear students, today we start our geography lesson number 4, that is climate. Firstly, I want to ask you some questions. Why it is hot and uncomfortable in the month of May? Why does it rain in August? Why do we wear woolen cloth in winter and cotton cloth in summer? Answer of all these questions is climate change. So today we start our next lesson, that is climate. What is climate? Climate is a sum total of weather conditions and variation over a large area for a long period. Then our next term is what is weather. Weather refers to the state of the atmosphere over an area at any point of time. Then these are the two main things related to the climate. Now our next question is, what are the main factors which affect the climate of India? There are so many factors which affect the climate of India. First is temperature, atmospheric pressure, wind, humidity and precipitation. These are the factors, or these are the elements which affect the climate. Now, next word is monsoon. Monsoon word is derived from Arabic word mosam, and mosam means season. So monsoon word is related with the season. Now, it implies a seasonal reversal in the wind direction throughout the year. India lies monsoon climate. So students, we read climate, weather, main element monsoon. Now, our next part is what is difference between weather and climate. We read weather refer to a short run, mean weather short time, and climate is the aggregate of day to day. Now, weather is referred to a particular place, but climate is a long period of time. Then weather changes according to day and day, time to time, but climate remain more or less unchanged one or many years. So students, this is the difference between the climate and the weather. Now, our next question is, there are so many variations related to the climatic condition. What are the variation? Variation means climate is different. Climate is various from one place to one. Suppose we take the example of the Rajasthan. Mercury touch 50 degrees centigrade in the West Desert. But we can take the example of the Leh. There mercury drop down minus 45 degrees centigrade in the winter. Next example is, next variation of climate is less rainfall in Rajasthan but more rainfall in Meghalaya. So more part of our India get rainfall in July and September, but coastal area like Tamil Nadu get more rainfall in October and November. So students, we read about climate, weather, main element, monsoon and variation in climatic condition. In next part, we read different type of factor which affect the climate of India. Stay home, stay safe. Thanks.